Carbon dioxide absorption information. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere and use it during the process of photosynthesis to produce oxygen and organic compounds. This helps to remove excess CO2 from the atmosphere, which is a major contributor to climate change. Oxygen production. Trees are responsible for producing a significant amount of the oxygen that we breathe. Without trees, the air we breathe would contain less oxygen, which could lead to health problems. Temperature regulation. Trees help to regulate the temperature of the planet by providing shade and reducing the amount of heat that is absorbed by the Earth's surface. This can help to reduce the impact of heat waves and droughts. Soil conservation. Trees help to prevent soil erosion and maintain the quality of the soil by absorbing water and nutrients, preventing runoff, and protecting the soil from wind and water erosion. Biodiversity. Trees provide habitat and food for a wide range of wildlife species, helping to support biodiversity and ecological balance. Overall, trees are crucial for maintaining a healthy climate and ecosystem, and their preservation and restoration is important for the health and well-being of both humans and the planet.